Hey everybody, wanted to go over just something real quick. I've seen a lot of complaints about water left over, maybe in the detergent drawer here, maybe some issues like that, and how you can solve that, how you can fix that. Well, it's actually really simple. This whole thing comes out of here, and what Samsung does is they have a siphoning effect on here. So as the water is pushed in here, it gets kind of, siphoned up through this area, and what can happen is detergent can coagulate inside of here or around in this area right here, causing that not to have that siphon effect. So the quick, easy way to get that to be fixed is just simply you're going to open up your drawer here. You're going to grab this one, and you can take it straight out. And I go and soak this in some water, run it under some soapy water, get it all nice and cleaned out. And the same thing you can do over here with the bleach softener. You can take this out and clean this out. Now if you want to take the whole drawer out, you can just put your thumb down on this little tab and pull the whole drawer completely out of there. To put it back in, you just simply put it back in its nice little tracks there. Put your pieces back in here, like so, and there you go. Shouldn't have any more water left over inside of here. Like I said, if you just clean that out, just routine maintenance on your Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks guys, hope you're staying safe out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.